So I'm logged into Connect Math here, and this is the student view of Connect Math. So I see the homework that I need to complete, and then if I have completed anything, so I took a couple questions I did from quiz 2, and it says that my current score is 8%, and then it says see report, so I can click here. And then I can check off which ones. If there is a red X here, that means I did it wrong. If there's a green check mark, it means I did it correctly. So I can view what I did correctly. Now, I didn't, none of these were submitted incorrectly. But if they have a gray circle, that means I skipped it. So it will show me that my answer was blank, and then it shows the correct answer. If it had a red X, it would show me my answer here, and then it'll say your answer, and then it'll show me the correct answer. So now when I go back to the screen, if I have another attempt, it will say try again. So it says here, attempts 1 of 2. Now on the quiz, your first attempt, I've set it so that your first attempt, you'll get your score. And then if you have any wrong, you can redo those. You don't have to redo all the problems. You can redo the ones you got wrong only, and then it will raise your score. So you have 2 attempts on the quizzes. So if you want to view what you got wrong, you hit see report. Now, if it is an assignment that's already passed, like for example, the Unit 1 assignments, you would have to go up here and you can see your grades right here for each assignment that's already passed. You can also see your overall score on the right hand side here.